Hey there, Sean Bailey, and welcome to this video today where I'm going to talk to you about how you can get funnel scripts for free. Now, this isn't some kind of hack or sketchy deal here. What I'm talking about here is a process that I used myself when I first got funnel scripts that I used to offset the cost. I've done this myself and I've outlined the process for you, and that's what I'm going to be talking about here today. Now, the reason that this all came about, why I'm going to be talking about this, is because I was in a group before and someone was talking about copywriting and funnel scripts eventually came up, and someone was talking about getting it and whether or not it was a good tool. So that's kind of part of the reason that this came up, and I know that cost was part of the issue, if that's what was holding this person back. So that's what inspired me to come up with this and explain how you can actually get your funnel scripts subscription completely covered with just one client. And what I'm talking about here is my funnel script fast track bonus that I've set up. So I've divided this up into 4 parts. Part 1 is everything funnel scripts. This is where I'm going to take you and walk you through all of the sections inside the funnel scripts dashboard. I'm going to explain how to use everything and how you can get up and running as quick as possible and how to take maximum advantage of your funnel scripts tools. I'm also going to walk you through the software installations and make sure that everything is configured properly with you so that you're good to go on day 1. Part 2 is the instant offer outline. Here I'm going to take you through some fun questions to get you talking and thinking about what it is that you're trying to create some copy for, and your answers from these questions will give you everything that you need to use funnel scripts to its full capacity. Part 3, we've got head-turning headlines. Here where I'm going to give you some insider copywriting secrets that I learned as an AWAI trained copywriter to take your headlines to the next level. Now, this is important because your headline does 80% of the work on any given sales page or sales letter. When someone looks at it and glances at it, they're going to start at the top. They're going to see that headline. And that there, if that doesn't draw them in, if that doesn't get them to commit and read the rest of your sales letter, then it's over and you've lost, right? Now, when you think about your headlines, think about it on kind of a 4-point scale. Now, when you go in and use funnel scripts, it's going to generate you some headlines that are probably a 2 or a 3 out of 4, which is great and will do the job. But when you take your headline to a 4 out of 4, it makes your headline impossible to resist. People have to read further, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in part 3, head-turning headlines. Now, part 4 is the funnel script side hustle. Now, this is where I'm going to go and show you how you can use some of the awesome sales copy tools inside funnel scripts and use it to completely eliminate the cost of your funnel scripts subscription with just one single client. I'll show you exactly what to do. I've completely mapped out a funnel for you to use as far as acquiring a customer, one single client, to make this service happen. I've gone and I've even generated all of the copy for you using funnel scripts so that you can go, take it, and plug it into your funnel and eliminate the cost of funnel scripts so that you're not paying anything. You can go and take the copy that I've generated, and like I say, just go and plug it right in, but I show you how to do that so that you're not paying for funnel scripts. All you have to do is just click on the link on the screen or down below in the description or go to seanbailey.com/fast track and you can get my funnel scripts fast track bonus 100% for free. I'll see you inside.